You know, we see a team of small flying things working together. It does remind us of what we see in nature. You know, we see fish work together. They look very fluid, and we sort of aspire to that as roboticists to achieve the level of precision and the movement that we see in nature.
My name is Alex Kushleyev.
My name is Daniel Mellinger, and we're students who created Nano Quadrotors.
We actually come from slightly different backgrounds. My background is in electrical engineering, so I do soldering iron. But in order to be able to put this together, you need a little bit more than just a soldering iron. You need a computer to design the system. So the first thing I did when I got to college was I got a computer. So I just went with my dad and got a laptop. I mean, you pretty much can't survive without it. This is a computer, so the only way to talk to it is another computer. We've been working on these cool little robots for several years now. There's a lot of potential applications. Ideally, you would take this vehicle, release it out of the window. It could fly around, maybe take some pictures.
That's really powerful in a lot of scenarios. Firemen get to a scene, they want to get an idea of what's going on before they send humans into the environment and put them in harm's way.
So this is a system of motion capture cameras. These small markers reflect the light back into the camera, and the computer system can actually track the vehicles based on those reflections. So Daniel can control the vehicles and send them to a particular position from his laptop. I could pull it away, and the vehicle comes back very nicely and smoothly. You can bump it up, pull it down.
We use computers to design these vehicles, to control them, to write the software, to simulate them. Now I can go home and work on my code. I can go to the park, work on my code. It's difficult to imagine life before a laptop. So we modified this keyboard so that our vehicles could just bop the key and play the key. So I actually took some sheet music that I found online and turned it into quadrotor code. I'm ready to start whenever.
Huh?
We can start whenever.
And done. So what really helped us to get there was, having the right technology and learning how to apply it, and our parents supporting us and our professors guiding us to get, to this point.
The sky's the limit, literally. So far we've flown 20 of these vehicles together. We don't think that's the maximum. I think the next good round number is 100, and we'll see what happens after that.
Yeah, watch out.
We're using our laptops to take robotics
to new heights.
When the technology's right, anything can happen.